If you want to send and receive payments internationally, then PayPal might come to your mind as the best option. But what if you don't have a credit card? Are you still able to create a PayPal account? Don't worry, we are here to help you out with this question. Because in today's video we are going to talk about how to make a PayPal account without having a credit card. So, at the end of this video, you will be able to create a PayPal account simply with your bank account. But before we get started, make sure to press the red subscribe button to get more videos like this on your YouTube recommendations. Let's get started, shall we? The first step you need to take is to go to the PayPal website. You will first see a page with two questions. You either want to create a personal account or a business one. You need to pick one and then press the Sign Up for Free option. Then you will see a page where you will have to give your information including your first name, last name, email and password, then press Next. On the next page, they will ask you about your address, city, state, zip code and phone number. Below this, some additional information is also given. You can check that out as well. Then press on Agree and create an account. Then another page appears where you have to give your card information. But as you don't have a credit card, all you would have to do is scroll down and you will see a Link a Bank Instead option. Then choose your bank and you are done. You will have a PayPal account set up without a credit card. I hope now you are able to create a PayPal account without any confusion. If there is anything else you want to know, comment down below. If there is anything else you want us to make a video about, do let us know in the comment section. If you have reached this far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. To watch more videos like this on your YouTube dashboard, press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay notified. So, until the next video, take care and stay tuned.